Rasengan is one of the most iconic jutsu in whole Naruto. It was created by Minato Namikaze, and he got the idea after seeing a tailed beast bomb. Even though it isn't as strong as tailed beast bomb, it is still a pretty cool and useful jutsu. What makes Rasengan really unique is that it doesn't contain any hand seals to perform it. You just need to gather chakra in the palm of your hand and rotate it in order to create this jutsu. Jiraiya even said that Rasengan is more powerful than chidori, but learning Rasengan isn't that easy, which is why there are only a few users of this jutsu, unless you just copy it like Kakashi did. In order to learn Rasengan, you need to go through 3 parts of training: rotation, power, and containment. First, user needs to learn to rotate chakra in multiple directions at the same time. In order to make this step easier to understand, the user will probably get the water balloon. We saw Jiraiya doing it with only one hand, but Naruto needed 2 hands to do it, and it is much faster. The second step is a lot harder than the first one. Now the user will be given the rubber ball, which he also has to destroy with his chakra, but since there is no water inside like in the first step, it will be a lot harder. The ball needs to be completely destroyed, and not just rupture it. If you have difficulty controlling your chakra like Naruto did, then you're gonna have a hard time. And finally, containment. This is the hardest step of all, as the user needs to combine first 2 steps into a contained sphere. Naruto learned this step by using a shadow clone to help the chakra be contained, but in order to fully master Rasengan, you need to do it with just one hand, which Naruto does eventually. After you learn this jutsu, then this can become a very strong weapon. But there are also other variations of Rasengan, which are more powerful than the regular. The most known variation is called Rasen Shuriken. This is when Naruto combines his wind release with Rasengan, and unlike basic Rasengan, you can actually throw it at your opponent, which is another great benefit. Kishimoto probably took the inspiration from Dragon Ball. There are also other variations of Rasengan, such as Big Ball Rasengan, which is just a bigger Rasengan. The many Ultra Big Ball Rasengan. This is when Naruto uses Big Ball Rasengan with thousands of shadow clones. Then we have the Planetary Rasengan, where Naruto has 1 Big Ball Rasengan and 3 normal size Rasengan, and there are so many other similar variations which he used. Even his son Boruto created a unique variation of Rasengan called Vanishing Rasengan. This is when you create a normal Rasengan, then throw it, and he disappears until he hits his target, and that is overpowered. Naruto also managed to combine Rasengan with Tailed Beast Chakra and create a Tailed Beast Rasengan. He even combined the Rasen Shuriken with Tailed Beast Chakra and used it against his opponents. If you want more videos like this, then like the video and subscribe.